Hey Fabian, let me take you to my DIY candle days where I created a few candles with using some supplies which was sticks, wax and few jars. So initially I melted the wax, and for melting the wax I used a double boiler. As you all know out there that pouring can be a little tricky at times when the mouth of the jar is a little smaller than you actually imagined, but of course it is one of the best things that you can do. Play, mess around and create. You can use old ribbons, old jute, old chart papers and maybe wires even to create this look. Here I have used jute, that's from Itsy Bitsy, and of course these are all new supplies, but if you don't want to invest in new supplies you can definitely go for some old best out of waste kind of material. A little tip in between, you can always add some essence to your candles in the wax when you put the melted wax into the jars, which will also get you into the zone of scented candles. As they say about art and also about designing, that it is the details which matters, and so here we are creating few tits and bits using the heart stickers and flowers to highlight our candles. Don't these look like some good strawberry jellies jar or jam jars?